Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting now, open your browser's privacy panel and disable third-party cookies. Once done, install a lightweight tracker blocking extension and pin it. You should also sign out of web accounts and open a private or incognito window to prevent session cookies from interfering. This reduces new tracking while you clean up. Make sure to note which browser profile you're using so you don't miss extensions or settings later. Now perform the deep cleanup. Go to Site Settings and clear cookies and site data for known ad networks and social widgets. While you're there, inspect stored cookies with the browser's cookie viewer and remove any persistent or suspicious ones. Next, audit your extensions, revoke permissions, or uninstall anything that needs full site access. Once the heavy cleanup is done, reopen normal browsing to test whether trackers reappear and continue deleting as needed. Finish by locking down cookies. Enable strict cookie policies and use container tabs or a separate profile for your logins to isolate tracking. Also block or clear web storage, index DB, and other storage APIs that trackers use. If a site breaks, temporarily whitelist the minimum domain needed, then document which site caused issues so you can tighten rules later. If trackers persist, disable all extensions briefly to isolate the cause, and re-enable them one at a time to troubleshoot effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.